Morning. Ah, and more Nerf guns. We bought this one too at the other sale. We could have two of them in battle.
Oh, there's that same one in another drawer?
Not anymore, now it's in my van. But yeah, there was one.
So I got this Nerf gun like a long time ago.
Yeah, they're cool, they're fun. Benji. There you go.
And then you sit down.
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
We should buy more of these.
Okay. I'm gonna buy this CD player.
Of these things, and then maybe I can have more stuff. But they're really expensive usually.
I was gonna run an extension cord. We ran it last night. It worked.
Okay. 2, 3. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Anything else you want to look at or go? Still kind of tempted by these. They could be useful.
There's no balls in there, right?
No, there are.
Okay, that's good.
There are.
But this back shut it out.
But it's not like cocked back and cocked forward, so it won't shoot.
Two.
Push it.
I'm gonna grab the sword. I've decided. After much deliberation. 1. Do I have another single? I do. 2. Okay. Thank you. I think it's fine. Oh, I got a 3DS. Is it actually in there?
These llamas.
In the system. It's all nothing. Right? Nothing in here. It's all empty. What is this, Anna? Oh, that's another DVD player for the car.
What if they can get
Hot Shots Go.
What's this?
Oh, you got a lot of cool stuff. How much for the Rock Band? The
what?
The Rock Band drums and guitar?
$5.
Okay.
$5.
And then how much for this stuff?
What do we do? 1, 2, how about $3 total?
So 8, yeah.
Yeah, but I only
8
have
total?
I would have to use my
And then what did he tell you for the other one? Are you getting the Rock Band?
Yeah, so 5 and
6, 7, 8.
yeah.
All right, I got you.
You're quicker than me.
Yep, you got it. Let me see. I'm gonna write $2 in here.
Anybody need a wheelchair for the baby doll?
Is that American Girl?
It
Oh, that's
is.
cool.
Gosh, girl.
That's
There you
neat.
go.
That is actually kind of cool for all your dolls.
If you ever need to push them around, push them in there.
You got, yeah.
Pioneer.
Toilet game.
The wheelchair is probably good, by the way.
Hey, Dad, look, this gate.
I'm gonna put it in the car. I'll be right back.
Good morning. I'm not sure are your plants for sale? No, I just so that people don't just block the driveway.
Okay.
You got that, or is it? See, I want for the wagon.
For what?
The wagon.
That's not mine.
That's not
Radio flyer. Radio flyer?
wagon. How much is your wagon?
$7. It's got the canopy with it. It does. It should work. We've never really used.
Are you buying the toilet?
No, but there's so much. They said.
Oh, really? That's really fun.
Yeah, that's probably what all of us.
I think that's Barbie. Or it's American Girl. I think.
Ma'am.
Fun.
Oh. A dog
Cool.
or cat.
Are you pulling it all out to look at it? Mizuno. Anna, look. Another one of those watches. I bet it's not 5 here. What kind of charger does it use? Yeah, we could charge it.
Yeah,
Probably only a buck here.
I didn't want it though.
Oh, I got you.
Here, I'll take it inside for you. Yeah, all kind of bases.
Yeah, see that. They do accumulate, don't they?
They do.
Is this a couple families worth of stuff?
Yes.
Okay. Ghostbusters.
Is Jeff at work?
Ethan.
Yeah.
What'd you find?
I kind of want to get like American Girl doll stuff. Because me and I like playing with American Girl dolls, so we don't have a lot.
Are these American Girl dolls?
Those two are, yes. The blonde one is Julie.
Oh, cute. Julie?
For her somewhere.
That would be
The
fun.
other one was just, she has a name, but I can't remember.
Hmm.
How much is it for all the American Girl doll stuff?
So for the dolls, I'll do 10 for them. For the whole thing of clothes and everything, maybe 15 for all the clothes.
Okay, never mind.
Okay. I think they're kind of. I think it's a fair price, but it's a little. I mean,
I mean, I want to get any doll except for this one. I kind of only want this one.
yeah. We'll see if she'll give you that doll for
Pretty
$5.
full. It's not Garibaldi's full yet, but it was pretty full. And of course, there is some people down in Nasa. A lot earlier, I had gone to artist reception for the
Our generation.
downtown.
It's in there.
And they're doing that. I think people are done with it.
How much is the little
Mayor
wheelchair?
didn't have a mess
Don't know.
on. Marilyn Gardner did not have.
Well, if you're gonna get multiple stuff, we'll make a little deal on it. If I was just selling it by itself, I'd say $7.
Okay. And they just sit in it?
Yeah, they will.
And they were all ages, but definitely was more. Yeah. Maximum. Yeah. But, yeah, it was.
Interesting.
You know, people in their 20s up to the mayor.
Would you get 5 for this?
Just that one?
Nobody.
For the
Ann Marie
one,
Nico and her
how
husband
about
had
7?
one.
Can we do 7?
Don't have them.
You don't?
She only has $5.
Oh, okay. We can do 5. We can do 5 for you. And if you will read, I will throw in the book.
You good?
We can
How much
do
you got there? 4?
piece on there.
9, 66, 66, 36,
The beats. We let's do $5 on those. They work, right, Mike? Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy her.
Would you do 11 on the other one in the wheelchair?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then your sister can play with you.
We'll wear my heels.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
Yeah.
Hopefully get those for my granddaughter.
I really like this Pioneer thing, but it's so big. Let's see. Did we see everything?
I wish
Look at this little table, Anna, for school. That's kind of cool.
This is the old school
You do your schoolwork there.
That's old school style.
Yeah. Kind of neat. Oh, this Disney sweater is cool.
Can I look at American Girl doll clothes for fun?
Yeah, you can look. I mean, for 50 cents, you might be able to buy something. Maybe you can find that hat for sale. don't know if that clothes. There's probably good clothes here. I just don't know anything about them.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, there's roller skates. There's roller skates, shoes,
Cleats. Those are cleats. Yeah.
and there's a helmet, another roller skate pillow.
Yeah. Leo.
That's Leah's book.
Is that? Are you sure?
Yeah, that's Leah's book.
Does it look like her?
She said that's her book.
Oh.
Necklace.
No, she was at Meredith with her, but I don't, she wasn't a Sequoia girl.
Okay. So oddly enough, I was going through Facebook
Wow, that's so much.
posted
This is so big.
we're all about
I don't
the same
think.
age, so I guess
How much are these headphones?
We'll do
you know,
5.
like two completely different worlds.
Is this the book for the other one I got?
Yes.
Should I take that, or do you want me to pay for it? How much was that?
Let's do $1 on that.
Okay, so 6. Well, how much is this receiver here?
Two and two together,
Yeah,
but
right.
no,
That
it
was
was, I mean,
$5.
Meredith was right there.
Yeah.
So 5, 10, and 11. All right, I'll do that. Let me.
You don't need laser tag as well.
No.
Yeah,
No.
make sure.
Make sure, okay, so that, the cord's attached to it.
Don't have any singles, so I don't know if you give me 9 back.
Okay.
You got any more?
I don't know if I have enough ones.
I
Let me
couldn't
see.
find the pants.
Can't find the pants.
There's
Thank
your
you.
9 back.
How about that stuff? You gonna try to buy that shirt?
I don't know, it's jeans. It is jeans, but they're not in there.
Oh,
She didn't
oh,
have them on, did she?
No, it's okay.
She did, yeah.
Would you just do 12 for the thing of clothes?
Yeah, yeah.
And we can kind of look through it at home and figure it out.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
Here you
There
go.
you go. That works. You don't gotta find it. Let me put my stuff in there too.
Thanks, Dad.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.
All right, y'all have a good day.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed those yard sales. Thanks for coming with me. That was actually really just one primary yard sale, I think. Oh no, I did one in the beginning where I got the little sword, the Ninja Turtle sword. Where is it? Right here. This little sword and this CD player. This sword, brand new, goes for like 50, 60 bucks. Used, it goes for like 25, 30. And this CD player goes for about 25, 30 as well. So I spent $5 there, and I should bring back 50 once I sell those things. And then they actually had a bunch of other stuff that I probably should have bought. I just wasn't feeling it. Every now and then I go to a sale and I'm just not feeling like buying a lot, and so I just didn't. But the next one I had a lot of fun at. Me and my daughter went. She's been wanting an American Girl doll for a while, so I was trying to tread carefully and not just go in and snatch it all from her. Because normally I would have just gone in and said, hey, how much for all this American Girl stuff? And she would have put a number out. Maybe she would have said $25, and I would have said, I'll give you 20, and it would have been done. But my daughter really wanted to use her money to buy it. And so I was kind of, waiting in the wings to make sure no one else bought it, but also trying to give her the opportunity to buy it herself. And she did. She bought herself, I think Julie was the name of the doll. I looked it up. It comps out at around 60, 65 bucks. She's not going to sell it. She wants to keep it. That's all the money she had, though. So I swooped in and bought the rest of it throughout that transaction. But, I wanted her to feel like she owned it and kind of, did it herself. And she did find it. She spotted it before I did. So I thought that was pretty cool. And that other doll, I think Leah, is also comping out at around 60. That American Girl stuff is crazy, though, right? I was looking up some of the clothes. Just the pants and the shirt that the doll she's got in, that the doll is wearing now, she got it out of the bin. Just the outfit she's currently wearing sells for $15. Which is crazy. The little helmet, $12. The wheelchair, $15. So American Girl, I mean, you guys know this. Buy anything that says American Girl because, you know, it's going to sell. Just make sure you buy it cheap. I also instantly snatched up this Rock Band stuff because I can't help myself. They sell quick, and they hardly ever break. So this is PlayStation 2 or 3. I can't really tell. I think it's PlayStation 3. Might be 2. This one should sell for 70 to 100, I would guess. Haven't looked this one up yet, but let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like one of the newer ones, so my guess is 40 to 60 on that. So I should net 100 at least out of that transaction once I sell those. Got a couple games. Actually, there was a little bit of a delightful surprise. I bought Super Mario Brothers DS, and inside the case, I might have already put it away. Inside the case was not Mario Brothers. It was actually Pokemon Pearl for DS, which is worth like twice as much. It's worth like 50 bucks instead of the 20, 25 that game's worth. So that was an exciting surprise. Grabbed a couple PS2 games. They were so cheap. Couldn't resist. Bought a receiver, like an amp receiver. I haven't looked it up yet, but it's Panasonic. It's really, or Pioneer, I mean. I'm pretty sure it'll sell for 100-ish. On that one, I just got to test it. There was a lot of other stuff, and you guys might have been like, hey, how come you didn't buy that other stuff? A lot of it was in really bad shape. And so I didn't want to bring it home and have it be broken and then have to deal with it. So I got the one that looked like it was in the best condition. That's why I bought that one. And, oh, I got Beats headphones, just randomly in the bottom of a toy pile, some Beats headphones. These are, what are they, Solo HDs. Look like they comp out at 50 bucks, so make some good money on those too. Yeah, anyways, guys, great day of sales. Had a lot of fun, really relaxed and just enjoyed myself, and hope you enjoyed the footage. Make sure you subscribe, check out my NC Flipper channel to see how much everything sells for, and I will see you next time.